How to connect Google Drive to Canva. Accessing the Apps section. First, open Canva and go to the Editor side panel. Look for the Apps option and click on it. This is where you'll find the various integrations available in Canva. Connecting Google Drive. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll down until you find Google Drive. Click on it and then select the Connect option. This will initiate the connection process between Canva and your Google Drive. Allowing access. A prompt will appear asking for your permission to access your Google Drive account. Click on Allow to grant Canva the necessary permissions. This will enable Canva to view and import assets from your Google Drive. Browsing Google Drive assets. After successfully connecting Google Drive, you'll now be able to see all the supported assets within Canva. To browse your Google Drive assets, use the search and filter options available via the search bar. This will make it easier for you to find the exact files you need for your designs. Importing assets. Once you've located the asset you want to use, simply drag and drop it into your Canva design canvas. This will import the selected asset directly into your design, allowing you to incorporate it seamlessly. Saving your design to Google Drive. Finally, when you're done with your design, it's time to save it back to Google Drive. To do this, click on the Save Your Design to Google Drive button. Depending on your preferences, you may be prompted with different export options to choose the desired file size and type. And that's it. By connecting Google Drive to Canva, you now have a streamlined workflow that makes it effortless to access and use your Google Drive assets directly within Canva.